All right, Xpression, 3D rendering software. Real-time 3D rendering software. You're not sitting there having to do render passes and wait for it to come out the other end. It does it in real time. It'll be fun. We'll play. There are two sides to it. There is the design side, which is what you're looking at now, and the operation side, which you saw earlier. If you hit F4, you've got your custom keyboard there that says you're going between the layout mode and the sequencer. So the idea here is it's a template-based system, meaning we make one style or scene template, and we're just going to use that as many times as we like, and we'll just change the things that need to be changed, like text, images, video, that kind of stuff. So we can make a single lower third template act like a single 2 or 3 line lower third based on logic and woo-woo magic in the back end. So that's the goal. I'd hate for you to make a template. This is your 1 line lower third, or this is a centered lower third or a right lower third. That's for example, if you were to, you can use the up and down arrow here, and this is the operating side, right? So this one here, this has this little yellow chip with text in it, and you could grab this line here and stretch it out, or drag it out like that. You can make that bigger. There you go. So we're seeing a preview of this graphic. But down below here, you've got this template data area. Should be using my stick. And that first one says position. So we built this out earlier. So if you select, and let's drop down here, you've got center, you've got left, and that's making the text, the box and the text justify differently. This is using visual logic and user input controls, all French until we actually start messing with it. But you also have down here, you've got the name that you can click on, and now you can type anything you like there, and you'll see it update in your preview there. This preview window tells us what channel it's going out on. So frame buffer 1 is channel 1. Page number is 15. That's the page in there. It's also known as a take ID. The layer, so name is the name of the scene, and the layer is the what layer it plays out on. So you've got, at the moment, you've just got one channel. You have more than, you've got 2 more channels, but they don't go anywhere. They're not visible. But this one channel can play out as many layers as you like. Example. This now is on frame buffer 1 at layer 0, right? If you took this, you could either double click on this. Well, you took that one. So is this aligned? We have, that's interesting. It's just the DVE, there you go. So notice it kicked out that other graphic, that right side one. And that's because we were playing it on the same layer. If you were to click, you see you've got one here that says -1. You could play that graphic out. And you can hit the take key as well if you highlight like that. So there is a crawl that's going on. If you go up one page, so you can hit the up arrow and hit take again. You now are playing that on layer 100. We don't see the crawl because it's on -1. And now you can also go up to this one 0, hit that. You can now go up one more, take that one, and take one more. So you see we're playing 3 graphics out the same channel, but you do see, I don't know, they are stacked because they're on different layers. You'll also see here on your output monitor, it says scene 1, 2, 3. That's referring to the name of the template. Again, we will name our stuff correctly. So scene 1 doesn't mean anything to me, but if it was red bouncing box or red box going up and down, that would make more sense, right? You can drag and drop these to a different layer. So you can now stack, play with the layering, right? So you see that you've got a -3 to +3. You've got more than, if you right click on that, edit layer index, type in 35,765. Does it work? Yeah. I found I can't put anything on layer 100 million. So 99,999,900, that works. I did have a script. Oh, and then it goes to negative that.
Oh, yeah.
So it's negative 99,900,900. I did crash the system trying, because there was a script that I had running on it that went, whatever layer I'm on, go to the next layer down and clear it out. Go to the next layer down, clear it out. It didn't like doing 99 million times, so system hung. So you have as many layers as the hardware can handle. That's kind of the limitation. So you might decide that all your lower thirds are on a particular layer, all your full screens are on a negative layer, and if you just keep to like the same type, to the same kind, then as I put another lower third on, it's going to take the one that's already on off. You won't have a whole mess. Well, there you go. Taking things offline can be a take offline, a red key there. You do have the oh no button, which is the red one at the top left that says clear outputs. So it's usually you're saying oh no before you hit it, or you're saying oh no after you hit it, because my language is a little more colorful when I refer to that button. So the other option is double escape will get you there too, because sometimes I will decide, that might be, especially if you have a graphic that if your key is on all the time, that oh no button could be a bit scary, and we can tell that button to be something totally different, and so that you get the ability to clear each channel individually. So you have 3 buttons to clear each one, so you can be a little more, well, that one's going to take off whatever you've got highlighted, but maybe I usually use these font A, B, C, D buttons and material as the set font 1, set font 2, set font 3, and then clear font 1, clear font 2, clear font 3. So I have some flexibility on how I clear the channels out, but not on everything. Double escape, you can't get rid of that one. That one's always there. So you have nervous operators, they might stumble across it. But there you go. All right.